wake up in the morning, check my phone, see I was golden. Say I'm going viral, thinking God I'm feeling chosen. You already know it. For some time I lost my focus. You already know it. You already know it. When I had no money, they ain't love me. It was it.
Man, what's going on, y'all? I told y'all we about to get back on this Mustang. So, man, I look kind of dusty in there. I just got out the shower there. What the hell going on? But forget all that, man. Let's go. All right, man. So, y'all remember my sponsorship sent out the LEDs for the Mustang, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I got them right here. We about to get ready to install these. And then tomorrow, we'll be taking the car to Jesse to get some other stuff installed. But like I said, man, let's get back on this ball game of this vlogging. Come on, man. So, I got the car cleaned out in the back a little bit. And we're about to just put these lights in, so we're about to get everything else going. You know, they sent me these lights, aux beam. You know, so they sent me those lights. And I'm about to just go ahead and install them and give them that review. You know what I'm saying? As we get this car, because tomorrow I will be taking it to Jesse. Oh yeah, so there's some more stuff I need to get up out of here, but yeah, we'll do that in a minute. Yep, a little 302 that could, well 306, whatever you want to call it. You know what I'm saying? I need to clean it up. It's still nice and clean up in here. Probably do that after I switch these lights out. But yeah, man, let's get started. What side should we start on? Man, shout out to Oxbeam too. Once again, you know, they didn't have to do this, but he did. So look at the quality of it. Got the fans in the back. Got the fans in the back and stuff, you know, so it look real good. It's a good looking light. It is real hard to see in these cars too. Let's get this installed. So, feel like I'm gonna have to do some things first, because I need this to hold the light in. All right, so I got it up in there now. So. So that's up in there. And I'm gonna get some right there to hold up what's her name, but she's in there. See how she shine when the light go down. Let's get this one in. And I noticed I was doing it backwards, y'all. All right, they up in there. So we'll see how the reflection come out at night. But they in there. With some degreasing. And your bag clinked up pretty nice. Clinked up pretty nice. Couldn't get that out right. But man, yeah. So we're gonna wait till the sunlight drop. And we're gonna see how it look at night. Cause with them old things, them yellow things wasn't cool. Shout out to Oxbeam. Now let's clean the back of this out. Put this where I always put it. This all the way in the back. Take all this trash out. But she ready to go, man. Y'all see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Time to get back to Yellow Bee. Let's get back to this channel, y'all. Boy, the helmet that saved my life in that crash. Still got it. Man. So the sun then went down some, but not all the way. See what these joints look like. Man, I can't wait for tomorrow. Get Yellow Bee patched up. Man, subframe should be here by Friday. So man, I'm excited, man. We back to Yellow Bee, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We back. Okay. They beaming. Yeah, that look way better. Still wait for the light to go down. And then we'll see how she beam at night. It got nice and dark out here. See what Yellow Bee look like now. Oh yeah. That's nice and bright right there. That's nice and bright right there. See how it look from the inside. Yeah. I can see now. Shit. That's way better. Yeah, man. Shout out to Ox Beans. These things beaming. Look like they deeming down because my battery low. Yep. There you go. But the camera's so far up. Y'all get ready though.
Go, 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 go. Tell me no, 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 no. Is that really you, girl? Did you shop your photos?
For some reason, this fool be acting like he don't know how to vlog.
I'm going fast.
Yeah,
I'ma
we
do
out
the
here
things
in the city,
that so that's my bad. I've been taking